A little less like a painter with the jacket on, you see, that explains it. If anybody was bothered. Yes, it's called More For Me.
Here am I, while away in the morning, since you've gone. Too long have I laid alone, not knowing which way to turn. And there you are, quite sure that you were right, knowing full well that I'd be the first one to go down, and you'd be the one who was laughing, except when things were going your way. They would say that she's had enough, wandering around on her own. The day you left, well, I think you knew you'd not be back. Well, at least it would seem that way, 'cause you never said goodbye. When it comes around to you and me, I'm sure it will work out alright. And you'll be the one who was laughing, give me something I don't need. And you know I'd always hold you, keep you warm. Oh, more for me. When it comes around to you and me, I ask myself, do I really believe in your love? Yes, I'm sure it will work out alright.
And that's a
Happy the man. He leads a simple life. It doesn't have much. It doesn't worry him where you go when. Yeah, 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 nowhere. Like a nun with a gun, I'm wonderful fun. Laughing all through, just watching you. Seems a very stupid game, but I don't care. Happy the man. He doesn't buzz around, round, round. Nothing he wants. More than anything, where you going? Yeah, 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 nowhere. Like a fool in a pool, I'm incredibly cool. With a grin on my chin, I'm certain to win. Someone says he's Jesus Christ, but I don't care. He is a good man. 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 He is a good Happy the man. He doesn't buzz around, round, round. Nothing he wants. And more than anything, where you going? Yeah, 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 nowhere. Yeah, 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 nowhere.
We have to get them warmed up. Try again, Phil. Simple life. Doesn't have much. Doesn't worry where you go. Yeah, 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 nowhere. Like a gun with a gun, I'm wonderful fun. Laughing all through, just watching you. Seems a very stupid game, but I don't care. Happy the man. Doesn't buzz around, round, round, round. Nothing he wants. More than anything, where you going? Yeah, 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 nowhere. With a gun, I'm incredibly cool. He always says that. Great on action, I'm certain to win. Someone says he's Jesus Christ, but I don't care. 7 years ago, Philip Collins left to go to Russia to study for tonight's performance of the one-handed drum solo. He studied under a famous Russian spastic. It's very exciting. You flunked that one, Phil. Then he grew a leg. Then you add another hand, 2 hands. Blow it, man. And you leave him to it.
be observed. Looting, pillage, murder rate became the rule of that day. Who hid, no one knew or who he hid. Cars were caught in fires and the place could never lie. The day the light went out on the daydream sky. What the rest behind after my journey. What the things that I felt at the time. Some there were whose heads were clear, sought to try to find the nature of this deadly protocol. Soon the sun was still somewhere or hidden from their sight by something that were more for shit alive. And so they looked for ways to rid themselves of the parasite. The day the light went out of the daydream sky. They tried in many fruitless ways to see the noonday sun by blasting with their missiles through the dark. But soon a kind of sleepy state came over everyone, till nothing seemed to stir or even breathe. And when the darkness chose to disappear, not many had survived from killing another. And again the light went out of the daydream sky. She packed her bags and dress long before the sunrise. No one knew. She told me many times about how she would teach them. And now it's time. Standing quietly by the door, her face is numb with fear. She stops, then goes on, live forever. It's now or never. Quickly walking down the street, it's cold and gray, dawn breaking, and she don't know why she feels so grown up now. Life is just beginning. She don't know. She's standing in the pouring rain. Her makeup's running down. She wonders now she's here. Where will I go? Who do I know? Now, she's not quite so sure. I may be wrong, but home seems so much more friendly now. And they might worry, but she doesn't want them to. It's causing pain, but that's not the thing that she set out to do. So she's back in bed for anyone who gives her. She feels good, knowing the chance was there, deciding not to take it. That's her choice.
now, we're going to play you a new song. A new one, what you won't have heard unless you were here last night. Anybody here last night? Good, I'm glad you're in the minority. This song is all about a poor unfortunate man that goes to a party, meets a meets a lady with very large knockers. And, well, it depends who you know, really. And unfortunately, she seduces him, and then she claims that he raped her. It's all very eternal triangle. It's off our Spot the Pigeon EP, which is currently racing up the Indonesian charts, and it's called Inside and Out. Seems they're letting you on next year. He's behaving himself, I hear. Governor Conway says it will be fine, just as long as he can toe the line. It's the same old story, but it says him on you not to worry, 'cause some you lose and some you lose. At the party he was on his own. All he did was say he'd take her home, but it seems they didn't go straight there. 'Cause on the porch she told him, "Put your hand here." It's the same old story. And they told her mom she's not to worry. What she says is so. We never let him go. Not even what could be heard, not even the sound of a bird singing over again, telling a different story. Everything has been done. See the sun going up behind them. Now that you're over those lines, standing on the side. It's 20 years now since our kid came free. I remember August 53. But it wasn't quite like they said. Oh, that behind you, you can't run again. Oh, it's the same
again. Tell you a different story. Everything as before. See the sun going up and down. Nothing to make of those eyes. Get love inside.
It's not Phil, I think it's Steve.
Really?
Oh.